What I like about Filipino food, it's so diverse, it's so interesting. If you go around, if you have an open mind, ang sarap ng Filipino food. Philippine cuisine in general is very diverse, no, owing to the fact that we are an archipelago and each island has its own ingredients available that really enrich local cuisines. Philippine cuisine right now is really very dynamic, it's really very creative, and it's very exciting to watch what's coming next for Philippine cuisine. But you know what's also very important in the character of Filipino food is the texture. We love to have different types of textures when we eat food. Right now, kasi the differences between the cuisines across the regions is slowly shifting because of social media, and everything is becoming mainstream. In the advent of chain restaurants going around and putting branches in the regions, nagiging mas homogeneous, nagiging mas similar ang cuisines. To be able to really enjoy regional cuisines, you really have to go to the outskirts of the Philippines. The spirit of festivity is really part of the Filipino culture. In the olden times, when you say festive foods, it's really a cuisine that is prepared by the community, no? Sometimes, hindi naman yung may-ari ng bahay yung nagluluto, no? They'd hire a cook, yung mga tinatawag natin na cocinero de campanilla. It's actually dishes that requires a lot of people to prepare the food, and it's foods that can last from morning until the next morning. What we want to do is for people around the world to appreciate Filipino food so that it will create an economy, it will create businesses for local producers and farmers para mas maraming Pilipino umasenso, mas maraming makaluto ng masarap, basta Pilipino ang gumawa, Pilipino nang galing yung ingredients, okay na yun.